What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm here at my uncle's house and we're actually playing arcade games. Got multiple here, but we're going to show you how to actually fix the joystick on this Galaco Arcade 1-Up. So we're going to show you how to do that. First, we got to get on in the back. Take the two screws up at the top here. And then you take the cover off. And then you want to unhook the cable. And of course the power right here. Then we want to go on the front side. And you want to unscrew 4 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll flip it up. So the problem with this arcade game here is that the joystick has too much play in it. So we want to fix that, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So there's 6 screws all together. Show you right there. Take that off. Right. I'll show you what I'm talking about here, the slack. So right here, see that bounces up and down too much. So that really affects your gameplay. So first we gotta take that pin off. Oops. Don't want to do that though. So there it is, the joystick. So it's got a spring, and you got your plastic that goes over the spring. And what we're going to do is stick a washer in there to fix the problem. So we take back the joystick underneath, stick it in, put the plastic piece back in, the spring goes on, the plastic cover, then you stick the pin back in to hold everything. And then that should take care of the problem. So we're going to show you the slack now. Let's show them the slack water. See? No more slack. Alright. Cover back on. 6 screws. Alright, so you want to go ahead, plug the cable back in. There you go. Put it back on. Put the 4 screws in. Tighten them down. So we're going to go ahead and stick the cover back on.
Oh, I know your name. You gotta go like this.
So like I said, put the 2 screws in up at the top. You actually don't have to take all this off. Only thing you have to do is really take the front face plate of it, and you can get to everything. So we're plugging it back up. And go ahead and test it now. I want to hold it.
Get up. Kaden, get up. Kaden, you have to hit the balls, and then whatever you make in first, that's what you are. I saw it. Alright, I can go. Again.
Well, it feels like it's a lot smoother.
But you might want to put it higher. Put it higher. It's like this. Hit. Thumb. 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 Pointer. And then you get pointer. Pointer.
Alright, so there you go, guys. This works pretty good. So if you have any problems, that's what you gotta do to fix it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.